Hello there, it's Lee, and today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp status couldn't send error. It's a quick and easy fix, so let's dive straight into it. If you're trying to send a new status and it keeps saying couldn't send, the first thing you should do is swipe down from the top right and toggle off the Wi-Fi if you have a Wi-Fi on. Try using cellular data instead, as it may be an internet connection issue. Once you've done that, you can try adding a new status. Let's say I want to add a quick status for this video. I'll just add that and it will say sending. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to go to the top and hit on privacy. Make sure it says my contacts so anyone on your contact list can see your status. If it's set to my contacts accept or only share with certain people, it can sometimes cause a bug that prevents you from adding a status. So change it to my contacts, and you might want to close and reopen WhatsApp. And that's it. It should now be able to add a status without any issues. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below, and any tips we love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.